Hey there and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to discuss about this Ford's Ecosport touch infotainment system, some important features and some vital settings that will improve your experience while driving this Ford Ecosport in this 2021. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first feature is under this navigation option. So once you are on this navigation screen, you will get these three lines at the top right corner, which will open this navigation setting page of this touch infotainment system. And under this setting page, you get several settings like the voice, map appearance and the language and many more. And once you click on this voice option, you will get different regional languages of voice according to which your navigation system will sound. Well, this feature is helpful for better understanding and to navigate the car more efficiently. And once you scroll down, you get this map appearance option. And under this map appearance option, you get to choose a day mode and the night mode for the map's appearance. And once you click on this automatic option for the map's appearance, and while during night driving you turn on the headlamps, this map will automatically turn into dark mode. Whereas during the daytime, when the headlights are turned on, it will automatically switch to the day mode. So this is again a very cool feature in this Ford Ecosport touch infotainment system, which allows you to do night driving more efficiently. Now the next setting on this page is the driver assist option. So once you click on this driver assist option, you will navigate to this page, and from this page you get to choose from the navigation appearance, which will show you while navigating, like the speed alerts, the traffic signs, and according to your preference you can choose to turn them on and turn off. So these were some settings on this navigation's setting page of this Ford Ecosport touch infotainment system. And if you like the content, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification for future updates. Now the another feature of this Ford's touch infotainment system is once you click on this button, it will switch to clock mode. But once you press and hold this button for a longer time, it will restart this touch infotainment system. So whenever your touch infotainment system is hanged or you can't understand, then you can restart this touch infotainment system to work it more efficiently. And if you want to check some other tips and tricks of this touch infotainment system, then a dedicated video on it is already posted in my channel. I will be giving the link in the description below to check it out also. So now let's discuss about some more settings option in this Ford's Ecosport touch infotainment system. So once you click on this setting menu, it will display this page, and in the display option you get to choose from several settings like brightness and modes and auto dim features. So remember to turn on this auto dim feature so that while doing night driving, the entire infotainment system will automatically switch to night mode, and you can easily do night driving without stretching your eyes. And in the top, you also get to choose the brightness of this touch infotainment system. Now another important setting is there in this sound option, from where you can select which speaker to work. You can choose any of the speaker of the car to function, whereas you can turn off the other speakers also. And under this EQ option, you can choose a different tune for your touch infotainment system, like classic, popular and custom your pitch of this touch infotainment system. So these were some settings under these sound options. And under this general option, you get some more setting options like auto switch to navigation once you turn on this touch infotainment system. So once you turn on this feature, so as soon as you start the car, it will automatically switch to the navigation system. So you can choose from here different settings options according to your preference. So these were some of the settings of this Ford's touch infotainment system, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you like the content, press the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if I have missed out any other factors, comment down in the comment section. So stay safe, and I wish to see you in the next one.